Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a lipstick within your photo on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and you can use the plus icon or the open button to open up the image that you want to edit. Once you open up this image, if you would like to apply a lipstick, go ahead and tap on Tools and then use the various different tools in order to achieve the color that you would like to apply to the lips of the person within the photo. Once you have tuned various color aspects and achieved the color that you desire, you can tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to apply your changes. Now this color change has been applied to the whole photo, so tap on Edit Stack at the top section and then tap on View Edits. From here tap on Tune Image and then tap on the middle option to fine-tune your edit. Now you can just double tap in order to zoom in and you can now more accurately apply your lipstick within your photo. Just use the brush in order to apply the lipstick to the part of your lips and make sure to avoid the other parts and apply it very carefully. If you accidentally apply it on some part that you don't wish, then you can simply turn the value to 0 and then use the brush to remove the lipstick from these parts right away. And once you have painted your lipstick, you can simply tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to apply your changes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a lipstick within your photo on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.